Box 2014 Topps Tribute, 3 teams. We have Mike in with a spot, Dan in with a spot, Dave R with 2 spots, and I have the rest. So let's go to our randomizer. All the teams are there. Do it 5 times. 5. Alright. Copy. Paste. Mike with the A's, Rangers, and Mariners. Dan with the Rays, Rockies, and Phillies. Dave with the Yankees, Padres, Reds, Nationals, Brewers, and White Sox. I have the Astros, Royals, Mets, Tigers, Dodgers, Braves, Marlins, Pirates, Angels, Twins, Cardinals, Red Sox, Giants, Diamondbacks, Cubs, Blue Jays, Orioles, Indians. That's a mouthful. I know some of you guys want your teams, so let me see. Let me give it a minute here. See if anybody wants to trade. Alright, let's see here. I haven't heard back, so I'll go ahead and get started, see if I hear from them. Alright. Just can't trade the Mets for those teams. Okay, let's see. What order we want to open these in. Well, we'll just open them how they came. We have Yasiel Puig, Prince Fielder, first auto, and of course it's a Philly for Dan. I should have traded the Mets. 09 of 99, Steve Carlton. It's not a bad looking auto for an older dude. Steve Carlton auto number 1. Hold on 1 second. Pack number 2. We have Yoenis Cespedes, Ivan Rodriguez for the Rangers, blue number /99 for Mike. And a Travis d'Arnaud rookie, 58 of 99 auto. Mets rookie. 58 of 99. 2 packs, 2 autos. Alright, we have Adrian Gonzalez. R.A. Dickey. We have a Braves, Tim Hudson. 5 of 30. I have the Braves. So 4 packs, 4 autos. Let's save the best auto for last. We have Ryan Sandberg. We have Manny Machado. Oh, what is this? Zach Wheeler, 10 of 10. Is that a laundry tag? Zach Wheeler, 10 of 10, something. Not sure if that's a bat piece or what. It's got the MLB authentic tag on it. Looks like a bat piece. Zach Wheeler, 10 of 10. Our first relic. Alright, 1 auto and relic left. CC Sabathia. Some fuzz. Josh Hamilton. And another Zach Wheeler. Oh man, Dan. I'm sorry, buddy. 4 of 25. Dan Wheeler. A little nice bright orange patch relic. Who would have thought 3 Mets would have came out of this box so far? That's insane. Not good coalition there. Tops. Billy Williams, Troy Tulowitzki. And we have a Carlos Santana gold, number 6 of 15 for the Indians. I have the Indians. So that is it. We had 2 Zach Wheeler relics, which is strange. Green 4/25. And this, I'm guessing it's a bat piece with the authentication sticker, 10 of 10. Very strange that they'd put that on there. I don't know if that's better, worse, or what it is. We had 1 parallel, 26 of 99 for the Rangers. Pudge Rodriguez. And our 4 autos, we had Steve Carlton, number 9 of 99. For the Phillies, we had Carlos Santana, 6 of 15. Does not want to zoom in. For the Indians, Tim Hudson, 5 of 30. For the Braves, Giants now, but Braves on the card. And Travis d'Arnaud for the Mets, 58 of 99. It does not want to zoom in. Alright, folks.